Okay, first you go unity.com and then you select products and then get started button, individual tab and then get started on the personal and then go here and click it and then we accept terms and download Unity Hub and then it takes a couple of seconds. So first we install Unity Hub. Now it's running. Agree and keep that folder. It's under program files and then install. So this is first phase and then we run Unity Hub. Let's clicking finish. Okay, it's opening and allow access. There we go. So there is no installs and then we add one and keep that recommended release 2019.4 and something next. And I don't want Visual Studio because it's so huge, 1.4, and keep documentation, then done. So I speed up this on the video. Now it's installed. So then we go to the projects and there is one old project, so I remove that. By default, this is empty. And then let's have a look. I keep that 3D projects template, but there is a couple of other templates too. So let's put name there. Testing. No, not like that. Oh, that's bad name. Something else first. Time use. It's better. And then create. Okay, it's something happening there. Yes. And there we have Unity. Okay, so we go preferences, edit preferences, and just checking one thing, external tools. We have a rights editor there, so you can change it later if you want. Okay, then we create cube in the middle of the screen, yes, and then one folder, and there we put scripts. Another one is skins, and then we create one new script, my cube, for example, and on the right hand side you see the scripts, and then we open Caesar project. So we made a couple of changes on that script. And This takes a couple of seconds. There we go. And under assets, scripts, and there is our new script. So mycube.cs. Okay, and I put there one line, and on the start I put one line of code. So I made a private field int, and it's a count. For example, count one by default. What is that? Uh, I close it. And by default, this is 1. And then there is count 2, like that. Okay, we are ready. And remember to save that file, otherwise your changes don't show up. And now we see the changes, and it's compiled. Now it's ready. 1 and 2. And then we put that script component there. There we go. And then we test it. Now it's 1, and then we play. And while we are playing, it's number 2 there, and stop. And then it's again 1. Okay, that's all, folks.